the Hepa Air Purifier. This is awesome. I have 2 little doggies in my home, which end up coming up with a few little odors, pet dander, dust, dirt, and I just like to purify, especially my bedroom. So this little guy here, super small, kind of like modern looking, and just super quiet. Definitely cleans the air up. Great for me. It's got 3 different levels up top. You can kind of hear it going here. That's the level 3. Yeah. Oops, there we go. Level 1, you can hear a little bit quieter. And then level 2, just super light. It's definitely like quieter than a refrigerator, kind of around the sound of a whisper, I would compare it to. And then it's got these kind of blue lightings. You can do kind of a night mode if you want to have a little bit of a bedside lamp, which is kind of nice for nighttime. The filter is just found in the bottom, so I've turned it off. This is actually where you will find the plug to attach it to the wall as well, and this is where you'll change out your filter. I like to even do a few drops of essential oils in there to get some nice smelling aroma while I'm having a sleep and clearing my air. Filter should be swapped out every like 3 to 6 months, really depending on your own use, but a great little air purifier. Definitely check it out.